Greetings everybody, I'm back in Chicago. This time we're not making sliders. This time it's chilly outside, so we're making chili. Today we're going to use our GreenVAC system to the fullest. We're going to be bagging individual meals with our Hinkleman vacuum sealer and our GreenVAC bags. But then the leftovers that are remaining in the GreenVAC pan system, we're going to put those under extreme pressure. We're going to remove all the air, and it's basically going to be marinating for about 3 days. And the chili will actually taste better 3-4 days from now with the intense pressure being put on in the marinade feature. So today, we already have this cooking. With the beef, I like to use is Spicy Spuds and other stuff. It's a great company out of Vegas, www.spicyspuds and other stuff. Good mixture of these products, add a little cumin, a little salt and pepper, a couple of other ingredients, and voila, that's all we're doing. And soon, we'll take this, after it's completely done in about 45 minutes, and we're gonna take it into the IRINOX blast chiller, we're gonna chill it, because we don't want to be able to take hot chili and put it in a vacuum sealing bag. So we'll let that chill down a little bit, we'll portion it off into bags. Now if I'm a bar and I've got doing a happy hour, to me it would be just amazing to have where I make my chili on a Monday and I make it once a week and I have it all portioned off in bags, and the customer says I'd love to have a bowl of chili and some tortilla chips. All I have to do is go in the back room, grab a bag, throw it in some boiling water, and about 7-8 minutes later, cut it open, pour it into a bowl, and bring it to the customer. So it's a great happy hour meal, great comfort food. A lot of places it's wintertime, and this chili doesn't get any better. Got